Praise, hello, good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world watching this. For me, it's the 1st of April, 2020. Wowee, 1st of April. 4th month of the year. And hasn't it been a year so far? Now, okay, so I have taken trade as well. I took a sell trade on the USD yen this morning as well. So I've got the Euro chart up, pardon me. Euro actually was taken yesterday, and so I took it just at that indicator there. I use a thumbs up. I use a thumbs up because I like to be happy. So if you know me, you'll notice most of my videos are pretty positive, and I try and keep that, especially through the situation we find ourselves in now as well. So look, I sold it there. I believe it was around. Let's bring up history here. I don't think for some reason it shows on here, which is interesting. And you can see my USD yen trade, just small size. It was pretty much where that indicator is there, and it moved down. It actually moved pretty low, so it was almost a 1R, and I moved the stop, moved a little bit more. Obviously, it was wiki, and I actually moved it beyond break even, so I locked in about 0.3% on the account, and then it struck it out. So. And now, it's interesting. I really like the look of it on the 1 hour as well. Let's just bring it up and I just explain my thesis here of, why I entered it. Because I talked about it in yesterday's video about potentially taking it, and I saw it and I did take it. It was about, probably about 6 o'clock at night. It was just before I got on the exercise bike. And I hope everyone's trying their best to stay active as well. Gosh. It was sort of like around here, where it was turning, and then it really moved. So I moved the stop, beyond break even, and that was that really, which is not the end of the world. All right, let's bring up the USD yen now. USD yen. You know what? Honestly, this was a little. Ugh, it was so. So I sold it there. It moved lower. I moved the stop. It was around. Well, it wasn't quite 1% at risk. It was probably 0.8% at risk originally, and I covered a little bit of risk, and then it did bounce up, and now it's actually moving to around. I got in at 107.25, and stopped around 108 or so, just above 108, and I think it was around the high of that candle. What's that high of that candle there? Yeah, 107.92, and then I moved it down a little bit. It was looking like it was going to break out potentially. I even went down to the 15-minute. It was a bit of an early trade. I journaled that it was, and it's not an optimal time to be trading that time of day as well, but that's one of the, there's good things and bad things about being on the charts a lot, which I am currently, just working from home and whatnot. And it's not the end of the world, but these things happen. You've quickly got to move on. And this is looking interesting now. It looks like it does want to break out or break down. So what does it look like on the 4-hour? This is quite interesting. What I'm going to do is wait for that 4-hour candle to close, because if it engulfs, I mean, look at the space it really does engulf. It's been a while since it's been there. Like it's bounced, rallied a little bit, and it's just holding on. It's barely holding on, but I see risk off sentiment definitely present still. Although the indices markets have been not terrible, honestly. So we'll see. I stand to be corrected here. If it doesn't want to hold, then it might just rally. We might see some USD strength here, but only time will tell. So, guys, that's the recap and what I'm looking at. Everything else is, so. I am using Sam Trade as well now. I finally decided to do it. I see a lot of great testimonials. So, as you can see, it is a small live account that I've got as well. Planning to add to it soon. And that's sort of it from me now, guys. Actually, the pound. Let's have a look at the pound. Pardon me. This video. Okay. So I thought it was looking like it was bouncing, but it's this candle sort of piqued my interest, but it's not quite right now. So I'll leave that for now. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now, and another video update will be coming about this time tomorrow.